Welcome back, learners. Today I'm going to show you how we can reverse a string using a string builder in Java, and also we can see how we can simply use a for loop to reverse a string in a Java. So first, let's create a string that we're gonna reverse. Yeah. So here is a string that we have to reverse. Now let's create a string builder. Okay. We will use string builder class, then create a new string. Then what we will do, we will use new string builder, then pass the string that we have to reverse. After that we will use an inbuilt method which is a reverse method. Okay, that's how you can reverse a string using a string builder class. Let's print it and let's see the output of it. You can see that it is reversed. Now it is a string builder. We can also change it into a string. How? Let's see it. So here new string is also a string. Just we have to just add one more method, that is toString method. Now the new string has become this string. Let's see the output. It's the same. Now let's reverse the string using a simple for loop method. Okay, so for that let me initialize it with empty space. Just empty string will be there. Okay, with that just use a for loop, define a for loop. Just take a variable and initialize it with the last index of this string. So last index will be str.length -1. Then we will check if I is greater than or equal to 0, then we have to just decrease it by 1. And here what we have to do, we have to just assign that character of that index, I index, to the new string. So we will assign it to new str and this operator, and then to the str dot char at I. It will assign the char at I of str string to the new str. Let's see the output. It should be still the same. Yeah, you can see it's still the same. So this is how you can reverse a string using a string builder, or you can simply use a loop to reverse a string. Okay, thanks you. Please like, share and subscribe.